Episode 8. Fixing the clutch hydraulics. Surprisingly, parts were readily available for the Fierto. We ordered a new cylinder and a new bracket. Here they are side by side. The pin seemed in okay condition, so we cleaned it up and reused it. Also, the boot on the new part seemed inadequate, so we reused the old one. Once we had it assembled with the heat shield, we were ready to install it in the Fierto. All done. Now it's time to fill and bleed the system, which was a little tricky. We used a Harbor Freight brake bleeder and attached it to the bleeder valve, then used the attached hand pump to create suction on the valve while it was closed. No one was around, so I grabbed a broom and stuck it through the driver's side window to push down on the clutch to create positive pressure in the system. Then, with suction on the brake bleeder, I loosened the bleeder valve, which filled the cup, and then tightened it before the clutch pedal hit the floor. I then refilled the primary clutch cylinder reservoir and repeated this process to completely flush out the system. It was awkward, but effective.